Welcome back to everyone. In this video I will guide you how to fix battery drain after update on Motorola phones. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on system and click on reset option. If you want to fix this problem, click on factory reset, click on erase all data, enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see a problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on battery. So check battery draining apps. After check battery draining apps, you will see a problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, go back to home screen. Click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on system and update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.